All right, so I'm outside of Albertsons because my daughter wants chilaquiles at 3 p.m. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. But yeah, today's Saturday, so I haven't really done much this whole week aside from just a doctor's appointment and then did a little few trips here and there. So Wednesday, I'm not sure if you saw the Monday vlog that I did this week, but I went to my pre-employment physical. All they did was a drug screen and a PPD test, like that TB test where they put that little bubble on your arm. So I went on Monday. Wednesday I had to go in again to get it read, and then I saw the doctor, which had me do like stretches or whatever just to see if I'm physically cleared to work, and I was cleared for that. But because that PPD is a 2-stage, I have to go back again next Monday and then again on Wednesday to get another one done and get it read or whatever. So I'm waiting on that to finally get my start date to start working as a psych nurse. So I'm just still kind of waiting for that. I did do some major change, which has been kind of annoying, but so Monday for that first physical visit I went to, I ended up weighing in at 247 pounds with my phone, wallet, fully clothed, keys, everything in my pocket. So that kind of added to the weight. So 247 pounds. I went home and I weighed myself again, and I weighed 244 pounds with just shorts and my socks on, and that's it. And 244 pounds. So I said, all right, I'm not drinking any more soda. I'm gonna be on a low carb diet, and if I do have carbs, which are like vegetables, that's the only carb I'm gonna really try and eat because it's high in fiber, so it kind of like, somewhat cancels out. So that's what I've been doing. I haven't had a real carb since Monday. I haven't had soda, which is something that I drink every single day, multiple times a day. And my sugar intake is kind of low. I didn't stop eating sugar entirely, but it's really lower compared to what it was before. And I weighed myself again this morning, and I weighed 237 pounds with, again, shorts and socks. I've done this twice already, and every time I stop drinking soda, I drop weight like extremely fast, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, this week has been kind of slow. Yesterday, Friday, me and my daughter went out just shopping for back to school stuff, and then we went to this cool Lego store and we saw a bunch of stuff. I ended up buying something, wasting money on stupid stuff, but I thought it was funny, so I bought it. And then that's pretty much it. Today's Saturday. I ended up tilling the whole backyard and raking all the dead grass and fixed up the whole thing. It was a mission, man. I'm really tired. I'm super sunburned. Tomorrow we're not doing much again, but starting Monday should be pretty exciting. I am going to be purchasing something new again. I try to make this interesting, but this is becoming very difficult to do. I didn't even realize how dirty my glasses are. I miss all this carbs. All right, it let me buy one pack of Journey Together. That was the only thing in stock on the machine. I ended up opening it in the car. I'm at a red light right now. Blaziken EX. So, I mean, I guess. I'm gonna use these for my